Okay, got so much money. My wee pipe, my cannonballs. Brilliant. Right, so what's up here? Hey!
Attention, ye worthless swine! A Lombax and his girlfriend just stole our trader! Snap to and bring me their heads!
No, 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 no! No, 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 no. No, 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 you better come back here. Okay, was gonna say, if you don't come back, I'm going to rage. Something bad. You take me back. Alright, good. Alright. That was almost like the worst thing ever. Almost. Just searching for secrets and stuff. Not that there appears to be any. Oh, hello. Ah! Tower is a saucy wench. Whee! Oh, sadness. It's alright, I can get up there. Through ulterior motives. Means alternate. Okay, well I can't get up there. Not high enough. Not that there's necessarily anything up there. Can't confirm that, but if there was, I can't get there. I'm really liking this weapon. It's pretty good. Boom! That's how it's done. Up we go again. Oh, that's probably how you get on top. Just naturally. Is there anything up there? I'm gonna regret doing this. No way, nah, I can't get there from that. It's too far. Guess I'll have to come back here if I missed anything. That's not a problem though. Well, not much of one. What am I doing wrong? No. That would be... That was pretty well timed. I'm quite happy. Quite happy with that joke. Oh yes. Excuse me for a moment. Goodbye guys. Ow! Oh, you are going to regret that. Okay, this is not good, because it's not going backwards. Die. And that's how you do it. Oh dear. Bye, please die, please die, please die, please die, please die, please die, please die. Okay, good. Was slightly worried. Yes. Seriously, this is the best planet to use this on. It's so good. Next weapon I'm gonna upgrade with a titanium is this. I imagine there are a few other areas on planets where this is pretty easy to use. This weapon has only one flaw: learning how to use it. Once you know where the good areas are, or just oh Jesus Christ! Oh, you came out of nowhere. Once you learn where the good areas are, or you know just how to move it with a 6-axis, which in fairness is actually really tough. It's actually pretty good. It's got some good areas to upgrade. I'm pretty sure there's probably at least one area in every level where there's a good place to use it. I'm pretty sure they designed the game like that because it's a hard weapon to use. Or at least every other planet. At the very least. I'm an idiot, I should have used it here. I'll use it in the main room in a minute. Okay. Excuse me. Ooh, what is that? Oh, it's nice, right. I was gonna say, what have I just done? No! You're kidding me! Right, this could be a problem. Please work, please work, please work, please work. Howdy. Please kill it. Okay. Was that tough? Yes. Was I scared? Yes. Did I think I was going to die? Yes. Yes, I did. All of those thoughts popped into my head at that very moment in time. Are you shitting me? Work, work. Let me use it now. Let me, for the love of God. Okay. Ah, thank you. It's actually upgrading faster than any others, which is surprising. Now, considering what this thing is, it's pretty good. Bye, guys. Ow. Nothing going from behind me, right? Nope, didn't think so. I actually love this weapon now. I didn't think I would, but things change. It's kind of hard to use occasionally, but when you know, some rooms it's not great to use it in. But the rooms where it is good to use it, it's a very good weapon. Is there actually a boss with Captain Slag here? Because I remember fighting him a few times. But I can't remember if that is the case or not. Die. And once more. Good boy. Yes! Be free! Upgrading things like a boss. Should probably check around here. Check the bolts and stuff. Like these. You know, like these bolts, which I haven't got yet. Whoa! It was like I was being pushed. Sounds a bit weird. Camera also freaked out a little bit. Hello, secret. Huh, don't think you can escape me. No. It's not how it works. If I see you, I will get you. So what's through here? I have literally no idea. Oh, I think we're on the outside. Possibly. At least partly. So is that all there is? Just that? Probably. I was sort of hoping for a hollow piece. We got 2. I think there's 12, so... Getting 2 is actually pretty good, considering I don't know where they are. I wonder if... there were some pirates waiting. Oh look, there are. This was a dumb idea. This isn't though. Die. There we go. Gotcha. I have so many bolts. I can't get over that. What the hell? Technically, the am I right in thinking that the tornado wouldn't actually be a bad idea because it can't fall off? No, I'm wrong. Never mind. Ignore that. It's the opposite, actually. I'm going to use this instead, since it can actually kill things. 2 ways to go. This way leads to boss, or this way leads to death. Is it actually death, though? Or is there a secret? No, it looks pretty much like death. So we'll go over here, you know, which I think is the boss. I remember there being a boss. Whether there is or not is a matter of different thing entirely. More bolts, more stuff, more expensive stuff. Tornado is expensive. Oh, I don't get to fight Slag yet. I thought I did.
We'll be sending you home in a nice box.
Well, I was right there about there being a boss. It isn't Captain Slag. You fight this guy a few times. You don't fight Slag until, like, the end. Although I think you fight him in Quest for Booty. I could be mistaken. But I don't think he comes back after Quest for Booty. I think he's, yes! I think his, Kraken Time, sorry, I don't think he comes back in Kraken Time.
You have upgraded to the magma combustor.
Nice.
Your weapon has been modified with 3 additional plasma barrels to cover more ground.
That's more like it. Alright, finish you off with this. Boom. That's how you beat a boss. Lots of raritanium. Aw, really?
Only a pirate can pass through these doors, lad. Be gone.
Aw, there's a secret in there. Right at the end of the level. Oh, I have to come back here later on. There's loads to come back for, actually. Which is like, whoa! Hello! Thank you. Thank you very much. I appreciate that.
I'm telling you, all it needs is a couple of new batteries.
Oh, well, what do you know about Lombax technology? My mother was half Lombax. Yeah, well, we used to make these gizmos out of paper mache.
I happen to be a renowned expert in Lombax history, and this doohickey is a zombie death beam emitter that'll wipe out all life in the galaxy.
Then why are you trying to put batteries in it, you darn fool?
Guys, just give me 2 seconds to think.
Having trouble?
Okay, genius, you figure it out.
No! It's the zombie death beam!
It appears to be a map.
Wait a second. It's Riken 5! That must be where the secret is hidden. I'll send the coordinates to your ship. Meet us there as soon as you can.
Coordinates acquired for Riken 5.
Oh man, that's gonna get really annoying. I'm so sorry. I really am. I don't know how to fix that, apart from buy a new game copy of it, which I don't particularly feel like doing. Though, yeah. Riken 5. Ah, this is where the smuggler is, again. I might trade bolts, I don't know. I'll either trade here or the next place. It's like a dinosaur planet.